Hi, I'm Paul Edwards with Norton Clipper, and today we're going to replace the brushes on the BBM 307. Remove the air filter from the machine. Now remove the 4 motor housing retaining screws. We're using a Phillips head screwdriver. Lift the motor housing off of the motor. Remove 1 brush cap at a time, then remove the brush. And repeat for the other side. Now blow out the motor with some compressed air to remove any carbon or dust, then rotate the blade shaft slowly and inspect the commutator for any damage. Now we're ready to install the new brushes. Slide the new brush into the brush holder and attach the brush cap. And tighten the brush cap. Repeat for the other side. And tighten. Place the motor cover onto the machine and attach and tighten 4 motor cover retaining screws. To install the air filter, you'll notice that there's a scallop or grooved side. The scallop or grooved side will point towards the cutting head casting. Slide the air filter in. And that's how you change the brushes on a BBM 307. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out more from Norton Clipper.